What I want to do is talk about some crashes from the past that I've experienced in my adulthood. Some of these were when I was a teenager, but again, we've probably both looked at them. And I think we got to start with Black Monday, which was 1987. Something happened on Black Monday that will never happen again because they put in circuit breakers. But let's just talk about how bloody Black Monday was from your memory, and then talk about what was put in place after that, so it never happens again.
So I will, whatever the opposite of aging myself is, I was not around during Black Monday. So I'm an 88 kid. I was born in 88. This was October 20th, I want to say, of 1987. And in one single day, you had a 20% correction, I think 21 or 22 to be precise, 20% drawdown in the stock market in one single day. It was absolutely brutal. And people just didn't know what to make of it. There wasn't a real cause to it. There wasn't something where you can go, this is what caused it. Something blew up, a bank failed, whatever it may be. There wasn't any big cause to it. And that was what caused so much fear afterwards, was to say, what has, this not happening again next week or the week after, because there's nothing we can point to say, this is what caused the thing to blow up.
Yeah, and what I really want to highlight for folks is that will never happen again.
Correct.
We will never see a 20% crash in a day again, because I call them circuit breakers. I don't know what the financial term is.
I think that might even be the technical term, circuit breakers.
Ah, there you go. So we have some circuit breakers. I believe there are 3. One is it 5% at the index, 5%. Then 10, and then
there might be one beneath that as well, but 5% essentially you hit the pause button.
Right, for like an hour.
Moving downward quickly at 5%, or I'm sorry, the stock market moving downward at 5%, the index, you hit the pause button. And then at 10%, it's a longer pause. And then I do think that there is some really visceral.
Yeah, there's a third one that's like, we're closed for the day.
Close for the day. Exactly right. Yeah. So I'm pretty sure you're correct that there's 3 systematic things that we can hit. And the last one is, we're done for the day. You guys go home. Aren't allowed to play.
Yeah. We're going to go figure this out because something's going on and the machines have taken over. So that's a
good point though. What I'll say on your note there is, when you talk about machine trading, trading, so what it can do is create this negative feedback loop where all of a sudden there are rules in place in these big institutional funds that says, hey, if we get a correction of 5%, that trips our sell. And then that can trip the next sell. And then that can trip the next sell. And it just goes. And that's why we need these circuit breakers in place. Yes, it can happen very, very, very quickly.